How's it going today, guys? Today we got the 1951 Chevy panel van. We are going to be disassembling all the hood emblems and a couple of little trim features on it. The hood does have some pretty nice emblems still on it. That front one's a little bit pitted. The side ones weren't too horrible, but we're going to have to remove those. Not quite sure if we're just going to buy a new front one or just try and fix these up a little bit and paint them, make them look brand new. But a lot of little weird stuff. I'm not really used to all the bolts on these. They're kind of like a flathead, from what I can tell. Tried using a hand tool on it, but you got to keep in mind those bolts have probably been for at least 30 years since the last repaint, if they even took all this stuff off, which you never know if they did or not. But here's what I did to take it all apart. Hopefully you guys enjoy the episode. Don't forget to like and comment. It really helps us out. Enjoy the rest of the episode.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
As you can tell from this part of the video, taking off that emblem, pretty much all that emblem did was just hold water underneath that paint and just rust it from the inside out. A good way to fix this problem is using a die cut piece of foam to put underneath that emblem just to keep that water and moisture out of it. So that's what we're going to do once we put all this back together, and then we should never have this issue again. So the way that center hood trim is it's pretty much just a couple little metal teeth on the bottom that you can just twist. So pretty much just line them up and then you twisted them, and then that secured that top piece of trim right in the center. So pretty much we're going to do the exact opposite. Just going to twist a little bit and should just pop right out.
I wonder where you are. Oh.
So here I'm removing the side emblem mount plate. The reason for doing this is we really want the perfect surface to make sure that we're not going to have any peeling or cracking of our paint. We want to make sure that everything is going to be perfect on this. So we're removing this extra bracket. It is going to take a little bit extra force and drilling just due to it not only being riveted, but there are spot welds, so we have to remove it from the hood and from that other surface. So it took a little bit extra work. Unfortunately, my camera did die, so it doesn't show the whole process, but it's pretty simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more of either the 51 Chevy panel van or the 74 Charger, playlists are right there for you to watch. Thanks for your continued support. If you have any questions, feel free to message us in the comments. Thank you guys and have a great day.